Did you know that 71% of the Earth's surface is covered in water? 71%. And unfortunately, drowning is the #1 cause of death in children ages 1 to 4. And is the third in ages 5 to 19. Hi, I'm Carrie Schoen, also known as Kaptain Splash, the superhero of swimming. I've been teaching swimming for well over 15 years now, and what I learned very early on is that if you're laughing, you're learning, and if you're thinking, you're sinking. So I started to develop these little rhymes, catchy phrases to teach to the kids so I could kind of get them to do what I needed them to do. For an example, putting the face in the water is probably one of the hardest things to have a child do. They haven't done it before. They don't know what it looks like. So I developed something called the funny frame. And it says, the funny frame game, place your face in the water, things don't look the same. They look funny and fuzzy and blurry and furry. So now these kids are singing these little songs and they're learning. They now know that water looks fuzzy, but not in a scary way. And they're getting to learn it from a superhero. I have to tell you that teaching these lessons this way has been 100% successful. Learning from a superhero and giving them ways to not think about what they're doing. What I really did this summer was put this to the test, and I sent all my students the songs and the phrases and a music video with all the phrases in it, and had them listen before they even got to me. And then what happened is they got to me. These kids basically knew the phrases before Kaptain Splash even said it. And they were very excited to be being taught by a superhero and not just your average teacher. Because I show up in the lesson like this and I will show up on your TV screen like this. So basically the TV show is about what I just said. It has all these different phrases and your child will be learning as they watch. So imagine giving your child your cell phone and not just watching their favorite cartoon or just their favorite show, but watching their favorite show that actually has content that will save their lives. So that's what the Kaptain Splash show is all about. It's educating, teaching, explaining, having children have an experience with water before they even get to the pool. Having fun, understanding it. We go to a place called Splish Splashville. Kaptain Splash has Singler and Friends. It's an amazing, colorful, fun experience, fun environment where your children will be learning a life-saving skill. I want to leave you with a music video of basically all the phrases I use and what the children will be using and learning, and also a little promo of what the show is going to look like.
Hey everybody, do you want to learn how to swim?
Yeah!
Well, I'm Kaptain Splash, I'm the superhero of swimming. Come on, let's go!
Step right up, step right up. Are you ready to learn how to swim? All right then, let's get in. Splish, splash, we're learning to swim from double bubble to jumping in. Learning can be easy if you know what to do. Listen to me while I teach you the moves. Tie-dye step, arms open wide, then open wide your window, place your face inside. Sit in the underwater chair. How low can you go? Pick up, say, choo-choo kicks on the side of the pool. Make rain on the train, chug, chug, choo-choo. Splish, splash, we're learning how to swim, come on, get in. Splish, splash, pool in the pool, shoulders and chin in. Splish, splash, we're learning how to swim, boys and girls, get in. Splish, splash, when you do the round step, splish, splash is the best. Now you got it. All right, here we go. Now you're ready for a few new steps. Pop to the top, your arms, now your legs. Float like a boat, light as a feather. Birdie wings, keep your feathers together. Push and spread, birdie arms, move ahead. Is what a froggy says. Now bend open, shut your froggy legs. Put it all together, now you can swim. Splish, splash, we're learning how to swim, come on, get in. Splish, splash, pool in the pool, shoulders and chin in. Splish, splash, we're learning how to swim, come on, get in. Splish, splash, when you do the right step, splish, splash is the best.
swimming. I'll teach you to be water safe with all my swimming skills, along with all my single-learned friends here in Splish Splashville. Myrtle the turtle, Octi the octopus, Starry the starfish, and that's just a few. You'll learn all about what your body can do. My superpower is to teach with song and rhyme, and that helps you remember what you learn every time. You'll learn to float and you'll learn to swim, from blowing bubbles to jumping in. Each week, you'll learn something new. You'll be amazed at what your body can do. I'm so excited for you to see the show, but now Kaptain Splash has to go. See you soon. Bye. So don't forget, like, follow, comment, and subscribe. See you soon.